Hi friends, in this video, we will learn how to add two numbers just in 1 second. And the fundamental change what we are going to make is, in our conventional method, we always start from the right hand side and then we start moving to the left hand side. But our brain works the best from left to right. That's right, the real way our brain works. So if we just learn this method, we'll be learning and we'll be working out from left to right. At the same time, we will try to add up some creativity as well, which can make you more faster. So let's see how we are going to do. Like 759 plus 496. If you want to do that, first you will just think about 4, which is 400. So I can simply do 759 plus 400. When you do that, guys, it'll be super quick in your mind because 700 plus 400, 1100. So it will be 1159. So 4 is done. Then this is 90. So I can add 90. So 1159, if I add 90, if 100, that will be 1259. So this is going to be 1249. And then after I'm left over with the 6, so I can just plus 6, which is going to be 1255. Yeah, this is my answer. But let us say if I want to do the same question in a little bit more creative way, that is going to be much more faster and much more easier, guys. So I'm doing the same question here, 759 plus 496. But what am I going to do here is 496 is so close to 500. So what I'll be doing is, instead of 496, I'll be just plussing 500 plus. So 500, which is simple easy, which is 1259, because 700 plus 500 is 1200, then 59. Then I added 4 extra because I was supposed to add 496, but instead I added 500. So I'll take away 4, and that is 1255. Is it not super easy, guys? When you try to be a little bit more creative and you work left to right, you can work at an amazing speed. You can do this question 100% in 1 second, guys. So let's practice another question like that. Let us say 684 and 598. Now you have already become more creative, guys. So you know, like 684, and then 598 is so close to 600. So better to add 600, which is going to be 1284. And then you added 2 extra, which you could minus now. So you can minus 2, which is 1282. How simple is that? So I'm adding 600, taking away 2, which is super easy. But the thing is, we are working from left to right, guys. This is the difference we are going to make in this method. So let us say next question, I have got 876 plus 313. Now this number is not closer to 400. So I'm not going to do what did I do last time. So I'll just do left to right. So 876 plus 300, which is going to be 1176. Is that good, guys? Yeah. And then I'll come to this, which is 10. If we add 10, 1186. And then I can add 3, which is going to be 1189. Everything what I'm doing here is completely doable mentally without taking all these steps. All these steps I'm doing, so you can understand. Otherwise, you can do 876 plus 300, which is 1176. Then plus 10, which is 1186. Then plus 3, which is 1189. Everything you can do, even mentally, without writing even those steps also, you will be able to do it, guys. Let us say this bigger question. 1423 plus 397. Now we can see like 397 is very close to 400. So I'm going to add 400. When I plus 400, that will become 1823. Is it not? Then I go to minus 3, which will give me 1820. Done, guys. How good is this? So we are not going to do this like conventional method, like 3 plus 7 is 0 and things like that. And we'll end up getting the same answer, but a little bit more creative, and working from left to right is going to work like a magic, guys. So use this method, impress your teacher, friends, and family, guys. All right, and subscribe to the channel, guys, so you can learn a lot of tricks like that. All right, thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.